The weather is nice. The hike is nice. I'm gonna rumble on while people walking their dog. Coming up. I really don't have much to say. I guess the interesting thought that we've discussed with my mother this morning is like your cardiovascular system. When you hike, it pumps the blood stored on the periphery, brings it into the core and purifies it and all that. And that's why walking seems to be as a really good cardiovascular health exercise. We're talking how it also can apply to emotional layers, where it affects your neurological health and well-being, and that in its turn has an effect on your happiness. So, and then where it brings like all of these loose neurological signals and activates them, and how things are neurologically encoded in your body and stored in the multiple parallels that gets stored in a certain way.